Log in using your username and password provided in your welcome email sent by Orient Finance. On the screen to the left side, you can see the section as Hot Markets. These are the top products including stocks, indices, and Forex. Under Equities, you will find UK, German, and US equities. Again, on the left side, click on Watch List. Name your watch list as shown in the video. Select the preferred product. Click on Add to Watch List. Similarly, you can add the rest of the product to your watch list. Now click on the View button. Upon doing so, all the selected products will appear accordingly. For instance, if you want to book a position in spot gold, simply click on Trade. Enter the quantity as per your requirements. Here is the margin amount. Click on Sell if you want to take a sell position. Now, click on Confirm and then Close. The position will be displayed on the screen. At the right side of the screen, click on Settings. Select the Stop option in order to limit your risk and select the Limit option in order to book your desired profit. Then confirm and click on Close. Now both stop and limit prices will be displayed in the screen. Now click on the Close icon to close open position at live price. Select the quantity, then confirm and click on Close. The position will be squared off from the screen. To create a pending order, click on Order from the preferred product. Manage to select the quantity. Set the price you want to buy at. Click on Confirm, then Close. Now, in order to modify pending orders, go to Orders, click on Settings, set the Stop option to limit the risk and set the Limit option to book the desired profit. Click on Confirm, then Close. It will appear on the screen. Now, in order to close the pending order, click on Close. Click on Yes as a confirmation for order cancellation. The position will be squared off from the order section. If you have taken two positions of spot gold, one buy and other sell, and now if you want to match the positions, click on Show Summary above. At the right side, click on Match Position icon. Select the position you want to add, and now you can see Profit and Loss option below. Then click on Match and then Close. Under Transaction History, you can select Date Range, where you can see transaction details with description. Open the Chart option from Preferred Product, and with the help of tools, it will be easier for you to check market trends.